How to delete multiple Facebook friends quickly. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove friends from your Facebook account step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Tap your profile picture or the menu button. Scroll down and tap Friends. Find the person you want to remove, then tap the three-dot menu next to their name. Select Unfriend, then confirm by tapping OK. Repeat these steps for each person you want to remove. Unfortunately, Facebook doesn't currently provide a built-in option to select multiple friends and unfriend them all at once, so you'll need to remove them individually. Be careful when using third-party tools or browser extensions that claim to bulk delete Facebook friends, as they may put your account or personal information at risk. And that's it. That's how you can quickly remove multiple friends from your Facebook account. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful Facebook tutorials.